guys, I know you guys noticed that lid is not from the Performer. That's from the One Touch Platinum. That's the kettle that has the 2 side shelves. And what's unique about that system is the vent is directly in the center of the lid. And why that's important here is because we're drawing oxygen from the center of the bottom, and it's going up around the protein or the food and through the center of the top. So we're gonna have a consistent type of environment inside there, and that's pretty damn awesome. Here's the lid from the Performer. As you can see, this is off to the side, so it's gonna be directing the draft in a just a funky way. So at least in theory, that should be better. We're gonna find out. And I have something that's gonna even make that even better, but that's next video. So we're currently at around 80 degrees, and I'm gonna take it off when it hits 129, 130, and that's it. See you guys when that's ready. And let's put a timer too. All right, let's see how long that takes. Oh, both vents wide open, top and bottom. Let's just see what happens. All right, you guys hear that? Let's see where we're at in time. All right, time to take her off, let her rest, and then carve into her. Yeah. Look at that, guys. This thing knows how to just maintain cold like it ain't no joke. That feels good too. That's heaven. Hell yeah.